Maybe in the next year we are going to have in a bigger way. In a big hall we will have. Okay, we'll start now. 1, 2, 3, start.